What letter is this?
This is the letter pay.
Can you say pay?
Pay.
What sound does pay make? Pa, pa, pa.
What word starts with pay?
Peshoo, Peshoo, Peshoo. Peshoo means cat. Peshoo starts with pay.
Say it again.
Peshoo, Peshoo. What word starts with pay? Pail, 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 pail. Pail means elephant. Pail starts with pay.
Let's say it again.
Pail, pail, pail. What word starts with pay?
Prahng.
Prahng, prahng. Prahng means tiger. Prahng starts with pay.
What word starts with pay?
Plar, plar, plar. Plar means father. Plar starts with pay.
What word starts with pay?
Pyaz, 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 pyaz. Pyaz means onion. Pyaz starts with pay.
What word starts with pay?
Peshoo, peel, prun, plug, pyaz.
They all start with pay.
Pay, pay, pra, pla, pay, pay. Pay is a special letter.
Let's say it one more time.
Pay, pay, pay.
Pap, pap. Great job, my friend. You learned the letter pay. We'll sing again next time.
Thank you for learning Pashto. Please like, subscribe before you go. With your help we make much more fun Pashto videos and so much more. And don't forget to share with friends.